Is the wind really blowing only 10 miles an hour, or is it cancel your fishing trip windy? Let's find out. Today, we're going to be taking a look at this anemometer. It measures wind speed, and every RVer boating enthusiast is going to want one of these. The coolest thing about this is that when it's too windy, the best part about having one of these in your bag is when you go outside and you read the wind, hey, I shouldn't have my awning out because it's blowing at this level, or I need to pack up my outdoor gear, I need to put my chairs away because the wind is gusting at this point. And so when you read, like when you jump on and you go to the weather and you say tomorrow it's going to be 15 on your wind speed, you know what 15 on your wind speed actually is, and so you can plan your trips or your accordingly if you're gonna run into some windy days. Obviously, it's a no-brainer for if you have a boat or a sail. You probably need to head back in when you know what the wind speeds are. You know if it's safe or got to head back in conditions. So let's take a look at this. So this is a portable speed meter that gives you real numbers. Basically, instead of guessing based upon how hard your hat is flying off your head. Let me show you really quick. So you're going to just turn it on. There is showing you that it is blowing at... So what we're reading is that it's blowing at 19, 20 miles per hour. And what I like is it doesn't just do miles per hour. It actually measures in meters per second, kilometers per hour, knots, or even airflow like CFM, so CMM. So your HVAC people probably going to want something like this in your arsenal. So whether you're fishing, sailing, surfing, or just checking airflow in your RV to see if the AC is actually blowing or not, this thing covers all of that. You also have a backlit, so you don't have to guess. You don't have to pull out the flashlight if you're working on something in dark areas or it's just nighttime. So that's nice. You also have just a 12-volt battery. This thing doesn't connect to Wi-Fi, doesn't get too complicated, just a simple 12-volt battery. This RV storage bin, it just works. I think that's probably the best compliment that you could ever give anything that you buy, that it does what it says it does. And this is exactly it. It measures wind speed. So if you spend any time outdoors, it's just one of those simple tools that's actually pretty useful to have. I use this all the time when I measure, make sure it's safe to keep my tent out there. I use this all the time to measure to see if it's safe to keep my tent out there, or if I have to bring my screen up, or awnings in, or pull those up so it doesn't blow away. This tells me if the conditions are safe or premium or optimal or whatever, right? So again, if you spend any time outdoors, it's one of those simple tools that's actually pretty useful to have.